Data center is a backbone for cloud computing. Data center is nothing but collection of high integrated servers at one place is called a data center. Cloud computing is a internet-based technology. Without internet, you cannot access any kind of application that is called cloud computing. So why I am explaining this one? Because we are storing huge volume of data in the servers. So these many users are connected in this second. How many users are? Can you read this number? Very interesting. So that's why I am explaining these many users are connected to this internet world and the number is drastically increasing. Same way the data center also increases. So now see, today I would like to explain data science contents. 9 concepts I am going to explain. The first concept is introduction to data science, statistics, Python programming, artificial intelligence, data mining, artificial neural networks, machine learning and deep learning, and augmented reality and virtual reality technology. These are the concepts, major concepts I am going to cover, and followed by the practical demonstration on COVID-19 virus prediction and detection using ML and DL techniques, Omicron virus prediction and detection using ML and DL techniques, Ebola virus prediction and detection using ML and DL techniques, prostate, breast, lung cancer prediction and detection using ML and DL techniques, and the current research is ongoing, monkeypox prediction and detection using machine learning and deep learning and various AI techniques I am applying on the data sets. And before going to these topics, I would like to cover the measurement of the data in data science. If you press capital A in the system cannot understand capital A. Internally, it converts into ASCII value. ASCII value is nothing but American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So capital A value is 65. If you divide it by 2, you will get the binary equivalent of number 10001. So that is a binary equivalent of 65. So that means computer understands only ones and zeros. Okay, so we must know the jargon of IT, measuring the data in data science. 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, and 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, and 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobytes is equal to 1 megabyte. After that, gigabytes, terabytes, petabytes, hexabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes, brontobytes. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. 1024 geobytes is equal to infinity. This is the way we are measuring huge volume of data in a system, server, or a data center. If you see this measurement in mathematical terminology, normal range, kilobyte is 10 power 3, megabyte is 10 power 6, gigabyte is 10 power 9, terabyte is 10 power 12. In big data range, petabyte is 10 power 15, exabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is equal to 10 power 27, geobyte is 10 power 30. This is the way we are measuring the data in data science. Keep in mind. And in introduction to data science, what I'm going to cover, what are the fundamentals of data science, what are the components of data science, what is the workflow of data science, and data science tools, and data analytics using statistical methods like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, data analytics using AI techniques, data analytics using data mining techniques, data analytics using artificial neural networks techniques, and data analytics using machine learning techniques, data analytics using deep learning techniques. These are the techniques I am going to cover. And in Python programming, what I am going to cover, what are the variables and data types, basic mathematics, and operator precedence, string operations, functions, and conditional statements, classes and objects, collections, tuples, lists and dictionaries, loops, file operations, exceptions, and advanced Python programming. Just I'm using NumPy, standard libraries like SciPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch. In these statistics, what are the types of data, fundamentals of statistics, and statistical operations like mean, mode, and standard deviation, statistical tools, statistical techniques, classification and types, linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, etc. Then in artificial intelligence, introduction to artificial intelligence, expert system, A-star algorithm, fuzzy logic and soft computing, artificial neural networks, single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, linear regression with ANN, logistic regression with ANN, convolutional neural networks, that is called CNN. In data mining, usually I am going to cover what are the classification techniques, what are the clustering techniques, what are the association rule mining techniques, a priori algorithm, FP growth algorithm, etc. In artificial neural networks, so what are the feed for types of artificial neural networks? Feed forward and back forward neural networks, K nearest neighbor algorithm, and generative adversarial networks, radial basis functional networks, single layer perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, self-organizing maps. If you see then in machine learning, so three approaches I am going to explain: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. So I am going to differentiate what is the difference between supervised learning and unsupervised learning, and what is the reinforcement learning with algorithms, with examples I am going to cover. In deep learning, the major techniques I am going to cover: convolutional neural networks, recurrent neural networks, long short-term memory networks, and deep neural networks, and various frameworks like VGG16 and ResNet, GoogleNet, XGBoost. And in AR, VR techniques, what is the difference between augmented reality and virtual reality, and basics of computer vision and multimodal interaction, and various applications and challenges of AR, VR. These are the projects I have executed in my data science research laboratory with my colleagues and with my research scholars. And these are the various projects we have executed. Nearly 63 projects we have executed by using various libraries. See here, object recognition using DNN and TensorFlow model, like 63 projects we have executed. So I'm going to show you minimum 5 to 10 applications today. So before going to data science, what is the prerequisition of data science? So the prerequisition of data science, you need to have a statistical knowledge like inferential statistics and descriptive statistics, and mathematics. You need to have knowledge on linear algebra, calculus, any one programming language called Python, Java, JavaScript, or SQL or Excel, any one Python programming language. So this is my own chart, prerequisition of data science. What is data? Data is a raw material maybe fact or image, audio, video, text, graphics, animation. Information is nothing but processed data is called information. Database is nothing but collection of interrelated data with the help of SQL, MySQL, Teradata. We are storing huge volume of data. There are two types of databases: relational databases, non-relational databases, and DBMS is nothing but a database management system. In order to create a database, we are using the traditional databases like SQL, MySQL, Teradata, DB2, MS Access, and non-relational databases like MongoDB, Hive, HBase, Scoop, Zookeeper, etc. Combination of data plus DBMS is called a database system. We are storing small amount of data in a server is called a data mart, that is called a subset of a data warehouse. And a collection of data marts or online analytical processing is called data warehouse. We are storing huge volume of data in a server. Collection of servers at one place is called a data center. Data center is a backbone of cloud computing. And once we are storing huge volume of data, we are extracting meaningful data from the huge volume of data by applying classification clustering techniques. What is meant by big data? Big data deals with the big data sets like volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and viscosity, value, validity. Various 7 V's are also presented. By using various big data tools and techniques like Hadoop, Spark, Python, and Hive, HBase, various tools we are using in big data technologies. Data science is nothing but it is the process of examining and extracting insights by applying various statistical and AI and machine learning, deep learning algorithm in order to extract interested analytics from the huge volume of data. That is called data science. And this is the prerequisition of chart. And can anyone answer for this image? It is a image incorporated with all the tools and techniques in this image. How do you publicize about the New Horizon Engineering College at Bangalore? With the help of pamphlets, messages, emails, scorecards, etc. Here, one more technology to publicize about New Horizon Engineering College. What is the technical name of this image? Can anyone answer in chat box? What is the technical name of this image? Can anyone answer? Please, what is the technical name of this image? Can anyone answer? What is the technical name of this image? The technical name of this image is, you can call it as, somebody is giving answer in the chat box. Correct answer. The technical name of this image is called word cloud. So by using word cloud, I can publicize about a new engineering college. I can incorporate how many branches and how many tools and techniques, everything I have incorporated in this image. So that is called a word cloud. Then data is a central to data science. Without data, there is no database application. So data may be a two types: qualitative data, quantitative data. Data may be a numerical data, character data that we are collected through observation. So data is a central to data science, keep in mind. Then types of data, there are two types of data. Categorical data, numerical data. Categorical data may be example marital status, political party, eye color, defined categories. That is comes under categorical data. Then numerical data, there are two types. Discrete data, continuous data. Discrete data is nothing but just we are counting the items. Examples, number of children, defects per hour in a software. Continuous means measured characteristics, continuously growing our age, sometimes continuously growing our weight, voltage. These are the examples of continuous data. Then how do you are collecting the data? Data collection tools. Through interviews we are collecting the data. Through observation we are collecting the data. Through surveys we are collecting the data. Through usage data. Through focus groups we are collecting the data. And today I am going to explain what are the data components, tools, life cycle, etc. Starts with what is data science, prerequisition of data science, solving problem with the data science, what are the data science tools, data science applications, data science jobs, need of data science, etc. And the definition of data science, it is an interdisciplinary field, the process of examining and finding hidden patterns from the huge volume of data by applying various tools and techniques like statistical techniques, artificial intelligence techniques, and machine learning and deep learning in order to extract meaningful, interested analytics. That is called data science. What are the importance of data science? So, in order to increase the business, all business people are using this data science, and they are getting a huge volume of data from multiple sources, and they are deriving valuable insights to make smarter data driven decisions. So where this data science can be used in various domains like marketing, healthcare, finance, banking, and various domains we are using in data science. What are the tools we are using? TensorFlow, Jupyter, Tableau, Scikit-learn, and NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, Matplotlib, Power BI, etc. And today I am going to explain these are the multiple subjects are integrated with the data science, like scientific methods, you need to have knowledge, and maths, statistics, advanced computing, visualization, hacker mindset, domain expertise, data engineering. That's why data science is a multidisciplinary subject. And data science encompasses preparing data for analysis, including cleansing the data, aggregating the data, and manipulating data to perform advanced data analysis. So that's why, so if you see that there are 7 steps are involved in this data science. The first step is the collection and acquisition of the data, and storage data sets available in the institutions. And third step, cleansing the data, preparing a data sets for their users. That means pre-processing the data. We are cleaning the data by applying pre-processing techniques. Noisy data, redundant data we are removing with help of various pre-processing techniques. Then integration, that is called multiple data sets, analysis techniques and applications, and the sixth step, representation and visualization of the data, and finally we are taking actions, managerial and policy implications. And if you see the where the data sources are available, And if you see, data is everywhere, and it can help organizations, any industry in many
Yes, but
different ways.
how many participants?
Data
One,
has
one.
become too
Like,
complex
I
and
want to
too
see
dynamic
any
to be
see
able to
AM and
process the
HO.
data, store and analyze and message with traditional data tools. Data sources
Then
are
you'll give
ERP
the
data,
feedback.
transaction data, public data, social
Some
media
people will mail
data,
for that only.
sensor data, data in marketing, data in health, cameras data, mobile device, machine sensors, microphones. So this is the data science workflow.
These
First,
all
we
is
are
keep.
capturing the data, manage and cleansing the data, exploratory data analysis, final analysis, and finally, we are reporting the data with help of scorecards, dashboards, pie chart, etc. And why data
I think
science?
her class was there. She
So,
has converted
following
her
are the
class into this group.
sectors where data science has
Yeah,
provided its importance.
because
We
all
are using
students, I
in
guess.
e-commerce business applications, finance, advertising, search engines, healthcare, transport, forecasting, banking and securities in order to increase their business. They are using a communication, commercial websites, education, manufacturing, media and entertainment, image and speech recognition, etc. So that's why we are using data science. So data science process is nothing but the first we are collecting the raw data collected from the reality, real-time environment. Then data is processed, cleansing the data, then exploratory data analysis, and then we are applying various tools and techniques and preparing the models and algorithm. Then finally we are communicating visualization
We are talking
reports,
that.
make decisions, and data product communicate with the real-time environment. If you see most in demand jobs in data science, first one is a data scientist. After completion of this course, whatever the topics I am going to show you now, you will become as a data scientist. Highest paid jobs in America right now available.
Just know.
Then second one, data architect,
Same.
data
All
analyst,
these
data
classes.
engineer, machine learning engineer, business
We
intelligent
got different
developer,
classes.
etc. Top data science
We
jobs
got
like data
different
scientist,
classes.
data architect, data engineer, statistician, data science manager, machine
But
learning engineer,
I can't say that much because
decision scientist,
it is not.
etc. So
Things have
top
not been
data
developed.
science jobs I have
Just for
explained.
this batch
The
only.
fastest growing tech occupations like year growth, data engineer having 50% opportunities in the market.
Okay.
Backend
What about
developer, senior data
engineering classes
scientist,
started?
CRM developer, various job roles after completion of the data science. So I would like to explain steps of this data science process, capturing the data, and we are managing the data, exploratory analysis, final analysis, reporting through dashboards and the scorecards. And what are the business characteristics? Like business understanding. First, we need to understand the business and intuition. Hello, sir. My voice is audible. Hello, sir. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the three business characteristics of data science. So what is the business? You need to understand the logic of that business understanding. That is called intuition, curiosity. So these are the business characteristics. If you see the subject characteristics of data science, volume is one of the characteristic of data science. It describes the size of the data. The size may be a megabytes, gigabytes, terabytes, and petabytes. And data velocity is nothing but the way we are storing real-time data, near-time data, periodic data, and batch processing the data. That is called data velocity. That means velocity means the way we are uploading and downloading all the various old files, legacy files, periodic data, etc. That is called data velocity. And data variety is nothing but daily we are dealing with various kinds of data like audio, video, text, graphics, structured, unstructured data. That is called data variety. And the first concept today I am going to explain what are the major concepts are there in data science. Introduction to data science. It is the process of examining large amounts of data of variety of types to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations, and extracting meaningful interested patterns from the huge volume of data by applying machine learning, statistical AI, and deep learning techniques. It is called data science. Why do they care about data science? See, if you are having more data, it leads to the more knowledge. More knowledge leads to the more money. So all business magnates are increasing their business if they are having more data. So more knowledge leads to better customer engagement, fraud prevention, and new products, etc. Why learn data science? There are 5 reasons of data science. So data science, it is a fuel for 21st century, and it a problem of demand and supply, a lucrative career. Data science is changing the world. Data science is future. So that's why we want to learn data science. So in order to increase their business, who can use their data well, especially statistics, from statistics and insights across workflows, and hiring new candidates to helping senior staff make better informed decisions. Data science is valuable to any company and any industry. So what is the purpose of data science? Extracting meaningful data from huge volume of data centers to analytics and processing the data. Finally, we are generating insights from data through dashboards and pie chart and etc. And Facebook alone generates more than 1,000 terabytes of data daily. Whereas if you see big organizations like Jet Airways and Stock Market Exchange, how much data they are generating, terabytes of data every hour. So data science is a collection of data sets which is so large and complex that is difficult to handle using DBMS tools. That means relational database management tools. There are 3 types of data in a real-time environment. Structured data is nothing but structured data. With the help of relational database tools, we are creating data according to schema, procedure, syntax. Examples like tables, transactions, legacy data. So that is called structured data. And unstructured data is nothing but, so with the help of non-relational database tools like Mongo database, Hive, HBase, Scoop, with help of these non-relational database tools, we are creating data, especially audio, video, text, graphics, animation, etc. That is called unstructured data. Semi-structured data is nothing but 50% of XML data, 50% of structured and unstructured data. That is called types of data. And why do we want to generate data analytics? Data analytics is very important jargon in the IT field. So it performs by applying various tools and techniques. Procedures are applied to perform the continuous exploration data, iteration the data, investigation of past and current business data for the purpose of obtaining insights about business that can lead to improved decision making. In order to take decision making in an organization, we are generating data analytics. Example, who is richest person in the globe? Immediately you are saying Elon Musk. How do you say? by searching in the Google. That means you are asking the question to the Google database. Immediately Google database is saying interested data analytics. It will list out all the top 10 richest persons in the globe. Those are the data analytics. So what is the exact meaning of data analytics? Data analytics is the process of analyzing raw data, maybe audio, video, text, graphics, animation, in order to make conclusions about that information. That means you are taking a good decision based on the analysis. That is called data analytics. The complete guide on enterprise data analytics, we used to follow these 6 steps. Business to understand. First, understand the problem. That is called business understanding. Then we are classifying the data. That is called data exploration. Then after that, once we are having data, we are pre-processing the data. Then we are applying tools and techniques and creating the model. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. And finally, we are doing data evaluation, and finally we are deploying the data. That is called the steps of data analytics. So why data analytics is gaining hype in the 21st century? If you see, these are the steps we are following in this data analytics. First, business understanding, data exploration, data preparation, data modeling, data evaluation, finally deployment. This is the process of data analytics process. These steps. First step, collect the data. Collect the data from sources, various sources like banking sector, retail market, NASA data, and e-commerce data, etc. Then measuring information from collected data. Then analyze the process for issues and root causes. Then determine and implement improvement and actions. Finally, control helps to system with improved information. These are the data analytics 5 steps. Who uses data science? If you see the diagram, Google uses data science concepts, tools and techniques. Facebook, Amazon, LinkedIn, NASA, Uber, Booking.com, Airbnb, Disney Parks, various MNCs they are using this data science tools and techniques. And what is the structure of data science? There are 3 tiers, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. So in tier 1, we concentrate on data sources, maybe a structured data, unstructured data, we are giving input to the system. Then we are choosing big data analytics tools and techniques like Hadoop, Hive, MapReduce, and MATLAB. Then tier 3, we are using dashboards, scorecards, that means final analytics, reporting, maybe pie chart, bar chart, statistics, etc. These are the structure of data science. Then what are the data file formats we are handling in the real-time environment? Audio, video, images, photos, text, graphics, animation. See, various types of files you are watching in the mobile itself. Maybe PDF files, audio files, video files, graphics files, and text files, flat files, various kinds of files. That's why data variety is one of the dimensions of big data and as well as data science. So data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses various scientific methods and statistical techniques like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, and process and algorithms and systems to extract knowledge and insights from many structural and unstructured data. That's why data science is a interdisciplinary subject. You need to have knowledge and data domain expertise, data engineering concepts, advanced computing concepts, visualization, and statistics. If you see, data science is a combination of visualization, means we are showing all graphs, pie chart, bar chart, etc. through Excel, Tableau, or programming MATLAB. That is called visualization. Statistical modeling like linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, statistical computing, and data technology, data research, data consulting, real world application, scientific methods. So data science, sometimes we can also call it as data driven science. It is an interdisciplinary field, and it is also called as knowledge discovery in databases. So it is a interdisciplinary field about scientific methods, process, and systems to extract knowledge or insights from data in various forms, maybe structured format, unstructured format, and semi-structured format. So you need to have scientific thinking, statistical methods, computer engineering, and innovative technologies. These are the 5 steps we are following in data science. First, we are capturing the data, and then we are processing the data, then we are maintaining the data, analyze the data. Finally, we are communicating with the end users or customers. And data science is a multidisciplinary subject. It covers various subjects like data mining, visualization, statistics, pattern recognition, neurocomputing, machine learning, databases, and data processing, etc. And that's why data science covers one of the programming language called Python or Java. Data visualization, we are using Tableau, Power BI, Matplotlib, ggplot, Seaborn. Various IDs you can use: PyCharm, Jupyter, Collaboratory, Spider, RStudio. In web scraping is nothing but in automation. In order to generate automated applications, we are using AI tools in web scraping, that is called Beautiful Soup, Scrapy, URL lib. Then deployment, we are using Amazon Web Services, MS Azure. So mathematics, we are using statistics, linear algebra, differential calculus, etc. Differential equations and calculus. Data analysis, feature engineering, data wrangling, and exploratory data analytics. Data wrangling is nothing but data pre-processing in order to eliminate noisy data, redundant data, noisy data. Then we are applying machine learning and deep learning techniques, classification, regression, reinforcement learning, deep learning, clustering, dimensionality reduction. So how to become a data scientist? By using all sort of knowledge like database and processing, statistics, machine learning, visualization, data mining. You need to have knowledge like public speaking, subject matter expertise, real problems, coding, creativity, communication. Definitely you will become as a data scientist. So data science life cycle starts with the business problem understanding. That means you are framing the problem according to end user customers need. Then data collection, we are collecting data collection tools through interviews, through observed data. Data cleaning and preparation, we are eliminating noisy and redundant data. Exploratory data analysis means we are classifying the data, clustering the data. Feature engineering, we are extracting various features of a particular domain of application. If you take COVID-19 virus chest X-ray images, we are extracting various features on the image: black spots, white lines, color lines, based on the symptoms of the COVID-19 virus, like coughing, fever, sore throat, like headache, various. So that is called feature engineering. Then we are applying machine learning approaches like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning techniques. Model evaluation. Model is nothing but simplified version of the reality. Data visualization through pie chart, bar chart, with the help of Tableau, MATLAB or Excel. This is the life cycle of data science. Main components of data science: data exploration. That means, so it consumes huge volume of data. It is the most important step. At this step, consumes the most amount of data. So we are collecting, gathering the data. Then modeling. Modeling is nothing but simplified version of the reality. With the help of ML and DL techniques, we are generating a model. Then testing the model. So 75% training the data, 25% we are using for testing. Whether my data is recognizing or not, whether my image is classifying or not. Then finally we are deploying models. So that model is predicting the results. We are deploying this model in the Amazon Web Services or MS Azure, etc. So these are the components of data science, 5 major components. Data is nothing but raw material, maybe a structured data, semi-structured data, and unstructured data. Big data deals with various kinds of data, various kinds of keys such as volume, variety, velocity, vision, value, etc. Machine learning is nothing but learning from the observational data, maybe a supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning, we are using label or target class, whereas an unsupervised learning, I don't know target class, I don't know label. With the help of Euclidean distance, Manhattan distance, Minkowski distance, I'm calculating the similarity measure and classifying the data. That is called unsupervised learning. And reinforcement learning is nothing but based on the punishment and reward. We are calculating, we are processing applications. That means learning from the mistakes, learning from the faults and any mistakes. That is called reinforcement learning, especially in gaming. Then statistics and probability techniques we are using. Then programming languages like Python, Java, JavaScript, R, etc. These are the components of data science. So tasks of data scientist, difference between data analyst and data scientist. Data analyst performing majorly 2 tasks, that is called business administration. It includes marketing analyst and campaign management, financial analyst, equity research, etc. And data analyst performing data exploration tasks and analysis and insights. Including these 2 topics, data scientist is performing, is applying advanced algorithms and machine learning approaches and data product engineering, etc. Then these are the top 10 data science algorithms: linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree. I'm going to demonstrate these techniques. And naive-based classification, K nearest neighbor, support vector machine, K means clustering, principal component analysis, neural networks, random forests, etc. And these are the tools, data science tools like statistical, see, you can use statistical analysis software, that is called SAS, and SPSS, statistical package for social science, Apache Spark, BigML, D3, JavaScript, MATLAB, Excel, ggplot2, Tableau, Jupyter, Matplotlib, Natural Language Toolkit, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, Weka. You can ask any doubt in this tool. I am going to clarify, and I have used all sort of tools for my research in the data science research laboratory. So any tool, Weka is a data analysis, data mining tool, TensorFlow is a framework, Scikit-learn is a Python library in order to solve AI and machine learning applications, NLTK, Natural Language Toolkit, It is used to translate one language to another language. Like Matplotlib is a library in order to generate various graphs. Jupyter is a editor and where you are writing a Python code, and Tableau is a visualization tool in order to generate various graphs, and SAS is a scientific analysis software or statistical analysis software for especially social sciences, and Apache Spark is a big data tool. Big ML is a big data machine learning tool, and MATLAB is a mathematical laboratory tool in order to solve various matrix related applications. Excel, it is a statistical tool, and ggplot2 we are using in R programming. These are the various tools we are using in data science. These are the data science tools for small scale industries. What they are using: Google Analytics, Excel, Burst, Crazy Egg, Kissmetrics, ClickSense, Insight Square. These are the Tableau. These are the data science tools for small business. Okay, and these are the data science tools: Tableau, Excel, RapidMiner, Data Robot, ClickView, H2O, TensorFlow, Big Machine Learning, Sensor, Snowflake. This is data warehousing tool, Trifacta. These are the various data science tools we are using. Depends on your requirement and constraints, we are using each of the tool into each of the application. So top 10 algorithms I have explained already. Linear regression starts with and a priori algorithm. Each algorithm I am going to demonstrate through Python programming. Okay. And these are the various tools I'm using. For data storage, I'm using MongoDB and Hadoop MySQL. For transforming the data, we are using a Spark and Python SQL. And modeling purpose, we are using sklearn, Panda, Spark, etc. Python. For visualization purpose, we are using D3 and ggplot and Matplotlib, Tableau, MATLAB, etc. For other tools for communication purpose, we are using Kafka and Liquid, various tools we are using. And data science, minimum knowledge you required: math and science, ethical skills, team player skills, lifelong learning skills, communication skills, real world project skills, machine learning skills, data visualization skills, data wrangling and pre-processing skills, coding skills, Python or JavaScript, Java, etc. So skills, a data scientist must have: data mining. Data mining is nothing but extracting meaningful, interested patterns from the huge volume of data. By applying classification, clustering, association rule mining, we are solving data mining applications. Big data, it deals with various V's: volume, velocity, variety. We are using Hadoop, Spark, and Hive, HBase, various big data tools. Research analytics knowledge required: machine learning approaches like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning approaches we are using. Any programming language you can use: Python, or, and finally data analysis. And these are the data scientist responsibilities: is managing huge volume of data, is generating analytics, is applying various strategies, is making collaboration with other institutes and organizations, and remaining other duties is performing. So skills required by a data scientist, especially 70 to 80% statistics knowledge, 70 to 80% predictive modeling, and 10 to 15% machine learning concepts, text mining 30%, and visualization 5%. And my journey to become a data scientist, see, in this Venn diagram, you will see the starts with understand the customer's needs, define metrics, translate and for non-technical needs, audience, statistical package, advanced mathematics, experimental design, model fitting, scripting language, predictive analytics, Then SQL, data governance, data preparation, get the right data, and privacy legal strains, ask good queries, make it actionable data. So data science covers substantive expertise in marketing, statistics, hacking and coding, data engineer, machine learning, traditional research. So these are the applications of data science, especially in image recognition, speech recognition, price comparison websites like e-commerce and Amazon. That those are the e-commerce business applications websites. Speech recognition, digital advertisement, delivery logistics, fraud and risk detection, recommender systems, etc. Then data science applications, domains like e-commerce, manufacturing, banking, wherever huge volume of data is presented, we are using data science concepts, tools and techniques. Healthcare sector, transportation sector, finance, etc. And these are the five major areas of data science: fraud and risk detection, image and speech recognition, healthcare, augmented reality, airline routing, etc. And these are the data science real life use cases. What sells most ice creams? See, it is an interesting question. Learning to speak, recognizing defects, using suggestions to make better decisions. These are the final approaches or concepts, knowledge, decisions you are taking as a in a real life use cases. So these are the top 10, 25 algorithms in computer science engineering, especially searching algorithms, sorting algorithms, graphs, arrays algorithm, and basics algorithms, etc. And you need to have a knowledge like any one language, data platform, deep learning with virtual machines, machine learning and AI tools, data ingestion tools, and development tools. And why Python is so popular? Anyone? My dear participants, why Python is so popular? Because of rich number of libraries are presented, rich number of packages are presented in this Python. That's why Python is so popular. And I'm using various data science tools like MATLAB, Tableau, BigML, Jupyter, TensorFlow, Apache Spark, Excel, NLTK, D3, and these are according to the Gartner survey. How many concepts are covered by this data science? So driving the success of data science solutions, skills, roles and responsibilities, business skills, analytical leader skills, IT skills, data science skills, various skills we are covering for data science. That's why highest demand for data science. And these are the data science use cases, especially Amazon using to improve their e-commerce business. That's why they are using data science. Uber, why Uber is using optimizing rides? Then Bank of America, why they are using data science, use increasing customer experience. Airbnb, improving searches. And data science in pharmaceutical industries, predictive modeling for maintaining oil and gas supply, data science in biotechnology, data science in education, and the data science use cases. I have explained already: healthcare industry, targeted advertising, image recognition, fraud and risk detection, price comparison websites, product delivery, online dating, predictive systems, speech recognition, internet search, etc. So, what are the advantages of data science? Data science can be fun, multiple jobs are available, designations, ease of job hunting, customize the products, highly paid career, cost optimization. AI is the future of data science, Pros and cons of data science. Highly paid career, higher demands, bright future, multiple job profiles, and complexity, less accuracy, no data security. These are the disadvantages. So, if you want to learn data science, self guide to becoming a data scientist, data analyst, you require maths and statistics, Excel, any one Python programming language, SQL and database, Power BI or Tableau, data preparation and validation, exploratory analysis and modeling, machine learning libraries, data storytelling, etc. So these are how to become a data scientist based on statistics, knowledge, programming skills, machine learning, data management, and communication skills. So careers in data science, data scientist, you can become data analyst, data architect, data engineer, statistician, database administrator, business analyst, data and analyst manager. Career options in data science, business intelligence developer, data architect, database administrator, data and analytics manager, data analyst, data scientist, big data engineer, machine learning engineer, statistician. So these are the various research areas and applicant domains and projects, especially in smart business, city planning, e-healthcare, and computational sports science, telecommunication, social network, powered electricity, information visualization, real-time big data management, and stream mining and analytics, text processing, simulation and modeling. These are the various research areas are presented. Smart shopping, real-time data warehousing, IoT for precision health, medical adherence, augmented rehabilitation and coaching systems, pricing and uptake of next generation networks, a new framework for high speed data mining, cyber bullying detection, social media location mining, forecasting fluctuation in power supply, and spatial temporal analytics of seismic data, especially in earthquakes, travel data analytics. These are the research areas. So data analytics using statistical methods by using mean, standard deviation, regression, hypothesis testing, and sample size. We are using linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression, and unsupervised learning techniques, resampling methods, classification techniques, tree-based models. We are using decision tree, etc. Then these are the top 10 statistical techniques like linear regression, resampling methods, shrinkage, dimension reduction, classification, nonlinear models, unsupervised learning, subset selection, tree-based methods, support vector mission, etc. Then data analytics using AI techniques with the help of various AI techniques. We are solving automation applications by using A-star algorithm, searching traveling salesman problem, and especially machine learning, deep learning techniques. Like these are the various artificial intelligence techniques like machine learning, voice recognition application, and biometric application. In deep learning especially, we are using genetic algorithm, logistic regression, artificial neural networks, radial basis function network, deep belief networks, restricted Boltzmann machine, convolutional neural networks. So these are the various AI techniques we are using. So achieving different monitoring objects like parameter optimization, feature prediction, stream tracking, defects classification, simulation validation, adaptive control, etc. Multi-source data obtained by different sensors, and data analytics using machine learning data mining techniques. We are using clustering, association rule mining, data cleaning, data visualization techniques, classification techniques, machine learning, prediction, neural networks, outlier detection, data warehousing, tools and techniques. So, data analytics using data mining techniques like anomaly detection, regression analysis, association learning, choice modeling, clustering analysis, rule induction, classification analysis, neural networks. And if you see data analytics using artificial neural networks, we are using various feed forward and back forward neural networks. Neural network is a collection of neurons that take into, in conjunction with information from other nodes, develop output without programmed rules. So, by using ANN, we are gathering knowledge by detecting the patterns and relationships in data and learn through experience, not from the programming perspective. If we see data analytics using ANN techniques, artificial neural networks, learning paradigms, learning algorithms, topologies. So in learning paradigms, we are using supervised learning. We are using label, schema, procedure, target class. We are dividing the classes. Unsupervised learning, we are not using schema, we are not using label, we are not using target class, but we are dividing the data into classification by using similarity measure. Unsupervised learning, based on the punishment and reward, we are solving the uh, reinforcement learning. Based on the punishment and reward, we are solving the problem. Learning algorithms like conjugate gradient and quasi network and steepest descent. Topologies we are using single layer network, multi layer perceptron, network with one recurrent layer. The final one, data analytics using machine learning techniques. We are using various type supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. So it can be broken down into 7 major steps in data analytics using machine learning. So collecting the data, preparing the data, choosing a model, training the model, evaluating the model, parameter tuning, making predictions. So these are the data analytics using machine learning techniques. Regression, classification comes under supervised learning. Clustering, dimension reduction comes under unsupervised learning. Clustering classification comes under semi-supervised learning. And classification control comes under reinforcement learning, etc. So data analytics using deep learning techniques. So deep learning is nothing but learning from the observational and actionable data with a deep manner by applying various input and hidden layers. So we are using various deep learning techniques like CNN, RNN, DNN, deep Q networks, recurrent neural networks, and Q learning, and DD learning, gradient descent, Monte Carlo method. We are using reinforcement learning. Provides a general framework for sequential decision making in MDP, multi-layer dimension programming, and use several layers of neural networks. Okay. Learn a proficiency that maximizes discounted sum of future networks. In deep learning, learn data representation with multiple levels of abstraction using a training set. So these are the 12 highest paying programming jobs. Data scientist, ML engineer, software engineer, cloud engineer, DevOps specialist, penetration tester, blockchain specialist, database developer, uh, front end developer, back end developer, full stack developer, mobile developer. These are the 12 highest paying programming jobs right now. So these are the research issues on data science. According to the Gartner survey, he has given these are the research issues, multiple data sources. It is a research issue. Data security is a problem, security problem, lack of clarity on business problem, undefined key performance indicators and metrics, getting value out of data science, sentiment analysis in data mining using machine learning, opinion mining, predictive mining, post clustering, pre clustering. How can we capture and deliver data to right people in real time? How can we handle a variety of forms and data? How can we store and analyze data given its size and computational capacity? These are the challenges of data science. Dirty data is the highest challenge among remaining challenges according to the Gartner survey, 49.4%. That's why we are using deep learning techniques especially. So then lack of data science talent, lack of management, financial support, etc. So these are the research in data science. You can use in analytics, business intelligence, data-driven science, artificial intelligence, data science theories, methods, and technology, visualization, machine learning, including deep learning, information technology is nothing but information and communication technology, user studies, algorithm, social sciences, informatics, statistics. These are the research in data science. What are the algorithms, the future of data science? What are the applications we are using? Massive scale graphs, cyber security, healthcare, Internet of Things, customer engagement, etc. And the future of data science, problems in handling data, never ending growth of data, increased demand of data scientists, popularity of machine learning, emergency sources of data. Summary, I am closing the theory part. Now I am going to demonstrate all the various applications, and I'm closing this theory part. Rajesh, hello Rajesh, hello sir, hello, hello Rajesh, hello Rajesh, hello, please respond anyone. Hello Rajesh. Now I am going to demonstrate. Please, my dear participants, my dear friends. So I am closing theory section. Now I am going to demonstrate practical part. Please, and this is the Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. If you are having mobile or computer, please subscribe my channel. There are various videos are presented in this one. Please take your mobile or system, just go to YouTube channel, type my name, Dr. Asad Srinivasulu. You subscribe my channel, and any doubts from the participants, please. Hello, my dear friends, any doubts, please ask me now. Now I am going to demonstrate all the practical applications now. Hello, Rajesh. Please, any doubts, please ask me now. At least you can pose questions in the chat box. Hello, my dear friends. My dear faculty members, my dear friends, any doubt, please ask me now. I'm going to clarify your doubts. Hello, Rajesh. My dear participants, any doubts? Rajesh. No response from the audience. Okay. So okay. Please subscribe my channel. Now I am going to demonstrate practical part. So if you have a mobile or a system, just go to YouTube channel, YouTube, type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. You will get my channel. Please subscribe and read these videos at later times. Right now, please just subscribe my channel, and whenever you feel free time, by that time you can listen. Now see, in Python programming, I'm using various libraries: NumPy, SciPy, Panda, Scikit-learn, Matplotlib, Theano, TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch. So these are the packages I'm using. Now I'm demonstrating, please check all of you. Statistical techniques I'm going to show you first. These are the various libraries I have used for my applications. So Matplotlib, these are the statistical techniques. In this one, I'm going to demonstrate linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression. Please see now, these are the various statistical methods we are using.
Excuse me, sir. Sorry to interrupt.
Rajesh,
Sir,
yeah, yeah.
sir, how long it will take, sir, still?
How much time is there, Rajesh?
Sir, you can go ahead because at 12 o'clock I have an appointment with the principal, sir.
Okay, okay, Rajesh. Now
Sir,
time is how much? Yeah.
yeah, time is
Uh,
11:40 actually.
Yeah, I'll take up to 12 o'clock. I'm demonstrating practical sessions
Okay,
now.
sir. Sir, I will share the feedback link in the chat
Yeah,
box.
yeah,
In the chat box,
yeah,
I'll
yeah.
share
You
it.
can, yeah, yeah. You can share feedback link and ask them to give feedback to you in the link.
Yes, sir.
And yeah, that's all. I
Yes, sir.
am. I'm going to demonstrate now practicals.
Okay, sir. So you can wind up the session, sir, if I'm not available.
It's okay. It's okay, Rajesh. Thank
Okay,
you.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. So in these statistical methods, I'm going to show you linear regression, nonlinear regression, logistic regression. These are the few concepts now I'm demonstrating. Please see here. So these are the concepts of statistics subject. See now, regression. In this regression, I am demonstrating first application, linear regression. So y is equal to mx plus c, where x is the explanatory variable and y is the dependent variable, slope. So in this one, I'm going to generate this one by using Python programming. See here, this is the algorithm of linear regression, and these are the steps I'm using. This is the code I'm using. Now I'm going to generate, please see here, I have imported NumPy package from sklearn.linear model import linear regression. I'm taking X value. So X contains a data set. I'm printing the X, then I'm generating Y value. I'm applying linear regression.
Students, everyone.
Now see this one I'm executing now in practical session. So just I'm opening a command prompt. See here, command prompt. So once you install, you can download from the internet. Very simple. Okay. So if you type Python, it will give you the version. Okay. See here, my screen is visible, my dear friends. Yeah. Now see, I'm using Python version 3.10.5. Now I'm executing applications. So first I'm executing Python linear regression, linear.py. See here, linear regression I'm executing. It is executing now. I'm taking x-axis, y-axis. See here, my dear participants. See here, this is the graph I have generated with the help of x and y values I have generated here. See, x values I have taken 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. Then see here, all columns become rows. Then I have find out coefficient of determination, then intercept value, slope, predicted response, 8.33, 13.73, 19. So now if you want to see the code, notepad, linear linear.py. If you want to see the code, please see here. Same code I kept. Import numpy as np from sklearn. I'm importing a library called sklearn. So it is a direct inbuilt model is there, linear regression model. So importing matplotlib for generating the graph. So this is the code I have written in the Python. So I'm generating linear regression, finding the model dot fit of x comma y, mean square error, print coefficient value, intercept value, slope, and model coefficient. Finally, I'm predicting the y values based on the x values. Then I'm generating the graph. Now see next algorithm, non-linear regression. Python, see Python non-linear.py. So one more algorithm I have generated. My screen is visible. Can anyone answer in the chat box, please? Whether my screen, okay. Kavya madam given answer. Thank you madam for acknowledging. So non-linear regression. So I'm generating x and y values. Okay. Then same way I'm using logistic regression, Python, logistic regression. Various applications, nearly 63 projects I have executed. See, I have generated logistic regression based on the x and y values, true or false, or predicted output value 1 or 0. So these are the predicted values by using logistic regression, predicted classes, intercept values, quotient values I have generated. Now see, same thing I'm explaining in this one. Same thing. So these are the graphs I have generated, multiple linear regression, non-linear regression. This graph I have shown, logistic regression I have demonstrated. So this logistic regression based on the input and based on this 0 means false, 1 means predicted value, true. So linear model based on the input x, probabilities, values between 0 and 1, we are generating output values. These are the graphs I have generated. Now I'm going to demonstrate next subject called artificial intelligence techniques. I'm going to demonstrate artificial intelligence, intelligent behavior in a machine, the science and engineering to make intelligent machines, that is called artificial intelligence. And in order to solve real-time application, we are using artificial intelligence. So deep learning is a part in machine learning. Machine learning is a subpart in artificial intelligence. So various techniques I have directly I'm going to demonstration part. Please, I'm not explaining theory part. I'm going to share with you this PPT. Don't worry. And these are the top 10 algorithms in artificial intelligence. So now support vector machine. Now see, I'm taking a heart disease data set prediction. Heart disease. This is the code of heart disease. This is the data set I have taken. Please see here. This is the data set I have taken, and this is the output I am generating with help of SVM. Now see all of you, I am going to demonstrate this SVM technique. Please see here. SVM technique, support vector machine technique, I am going to demonstrate. Python svm.py. So support vector machine I am generating. See here, all of you. So my screen is visible. Accuracy I got 99.63. Precision I got 0.99. And recall I got 100%. So this is one of the support vector mission classification algorithm. And see one more application. If you want to see the code, notepad, svm.py, if you open, you will get the code of. I'm going to share with you, don't worry. This code I'm sharing with coordinator is going to share with you, PPT and codes. So I have applied pandas library. Directly I'm deriving from sklearn, scikit-learn. It is a package. And I'm using this support vector machine and for classification purpose. Now see, I'm using artificial neural networks techniques. Now Python ann.py, artificial neural networks. Very interesting problem. See here. So I have taken a data set as a health data set I have taken. So it is performing. Please, my screen is visible now. Please respond, madam. I am executing artificial neural networks algorithm. Okay. So if you want to see the code of ANN, notepad.ann.py, notepad space ann.py. So I'm using see what is the data set I am taking. So I'm taking health data set, classification multi-layer perceptron I am using, classification MLP model for the abalone data set. It is a standard available at UCI and Kaggle repositories. You can download this data set and apply. You can use this ANN model. Now I am going to demonstrate COVID-19 virus and Omicron virus and monkeypox. I am going to demonstrate. Please see here. Now I am going to demonstrate various applications. If you see, even COVID-19 and monkeypox. See here, monkeypox data set I have collected. If you see, these are the images I have collected. These are the images I have collected. Monkeypox right now, latest application I am doing. Okay. These are the data set is available. I am going to share with you data set. Okay. And now I am going to, this is the negative. And if you see the positive, okay, positive images of monkeypox. This is the data set I'm using. Now I'm going to generate 75% training data set and 25% testing data set. Now if you see CD space monkeypox. So I'm going to in that folder, checking the directory, how many files are there. These many files I have executed in the monkeypox. Okay, so cnn.py. If you see Python cnn.py. Now the program is running here. Please see. So I'm doing two class classification now. Now the program is running now. Please see all of you. Any doubt, please ask me now. Like this, I'm going to demonstrate a few more applications, very interesting applications. Now see, The program is running now, and please, it takes time. So meanwhile, I'm going to demonstrate a few more theory concept. See, still it is running application. It takes time because of huge volume of data. So in data mining, various algorithms, applications I have demonstrated. This one, support vector machine by using Python. Just now I have shown this algorithm. Decision tree, I'm going to demonstrate a decision tree also. See here, everything I kept in the PPT, random forest. I have executed random forest algorithm. Then in artificial neural networks, and what are the techniques, tools and techniques we are using. See here, I'm using various artificial neural networks tools and techniques. Three approaches, especially gradient descent algorithm, evolutionary algorithm, genetic algorithm. These are the applications of neural networks, and I'm showing now machine learning tech tools and techniques. What are the applications? Practicals are directly. I'm going to practical part. These are the 5 techniques I have executed. This linear regression I have demonstrated. Decision tree I have demonstrated, and naive Bayes technique. This is a naive Bayes. So now I am going to demonstrate this naive Bayes technique. This is the output I got it. Naive Bayes support vector machine for a hot disease data set. Okay. Now this is artificial k nearest KNN technique, k nearest neighbor technique. Then deep learning techniques like see a practical part I am going to directly because of time. I am explaining directly demonstration of these are the packages I have used. Various KNN. Just now I have demonstrated KNN. Now I am going to show you this K nearest neighbor algorithm. Please see this command prompt, still it is running. See, now the program is running now. Here, still it is running. The accuracy is increasing. 63 point accuracy is increasing based on the monkeypox data set. Now I'll show you a few more applications, especially health data applications. I'll show you directly. See here. Now COVID-19 virus detection. I have collected symptoms of the COVID-19, and these are the X-ray images I have taken. This is the algorithm I have used: convolutional operation, ReLU layer, pooling layer, flattening, full connection. This is the CNN algorithm, and these are the 3 images I have taken: COVID-19 virus image, pneumonia, normal, etc. This is the corona training data set to the CNN model, and this is algorithm I have used for executing. This is the code. I kept a code in the in this slide. This is the CNN. This is the testing data set I have used, and finally I am detecting chest X-ray image of COVID-19 virus and severity levels, whether it is positive or negative. This is the results. I got it. I have executed this one, and this is the graphs I have generated. Execution time between COVID-19 virus dataset, number of processors. This is a data size versus accuracy. This is second application, COVID-19 strain virus, and these are the symptoms I have collected: headache, pain, and sore throat, diarrhea, headache, and a rash on the skin. And this is the input training data set. This is the training data set. This is the code. Recurrent neural network I have applied. See here. And finally, I'm getting the output. Then prostate cancer. I have collected all the symptoms of the prostate cancer. And these are the images of a prostate cancer input data set. And this is the training data set I have taken. X-ray of prostate cancer, and finally I'm detecting whether it is a prostate cancer image or normal image. Same way breast cancer image, I have collected all the symptoms of the breast cancer, and this breast cancer disease more in western countries like America, Europe, okay, etc. So these are the training data set, and finally I'm detecting the severity levels of the breast cancer. Then this is the code of breast cancer, and I got the results. Then lung cancer, I have collected various symptoms of the lung data set. These are the chest X-ray images of lung cancer, and this is a training. This is a training data set, and this is a just finally we are getting the output image, whether it is normal image or severity levels of the. Then Ebola virus detection. I am collecting various symptoms of the Ebola virus. It is deadly dangerous in Africa continent. Ebola, various symptoms like headache, heat, abdominal pain, rashes, loss of appetite, etc. So these are the symptoms I am collecting on the chest X-ray images. And Ebola virus, it is a training data set, and this is the code of the Ebola virus, and this is the final X-ray of Ebola virus. Now I am showing uh, monkeypox data set. Still, see, last step it is running 2930 accuracy. Hello, madam, my screen is visible. Please check now, madam. Hello, madam. Okay. Kaveshri, madam, she is giving response. And these are the monkeypox. Now I am showing. See, it is running because 33 steps I have given. 30 epochs I have given. It is taking huge 5,000 monkeypox images I have taken as input. So that's why it is taking time, and I'll show you one more algorithm like COVID-19 images. I'll show you. See here, COVID COVID data set also I'm showing. See now COVID-19 data set. Please hear my screen, and training data. So what are the images I have collected? Please check now here. All of you, please check. This is the data set I have selected. After this monkeypox data set, I'm going to negative image. I'm going to demonstrate, and positive data sets of. See here, this is positive images, and I'm going to demonstrate this one. See, practicals. So I'm going to demonstrate this one. See, still eighth step is running now. It is taking time. So I'll move to presentation slides. So I'm ending my session now. So these are the so any queries from the audience? I think only 10 members subscribed now. Please, anyone, say all of you take your mobile at least. Later you can listen my videos. Take your mobile or computer. Please subscribe my channel. At least you do in the mobile phone, madam. Take your mobile, go to YouTube, type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivas, so that you will get my channel. Please subscribe now. Only Kavya Sri madam has done and Rajesh has subscribed. I am seeing their names in my list who subscribed. 30 members are there. Please subscribe now. Later you can listen my videos. So please do it now, madam. 1 minute time, please subscribe. Then I'll move to the next part. Just subscribe in the YouTube channel. Type my name as a Dr. Asadi. Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. Type my name in the YouTube. Subscribe now. Later we will see. So this is your New Horizon Engineering College. I have conducted various workshops and seminars. So this is your college. This is at SRIT Anantapur. This is at Kadapa, KSRM Engineering College. And this is at, these are the various workshops I have conducted. It is at Kerala, Srinidhi, Rathinam, various seminars and symposiums I have conducted. Please see here. Yale University. Various countries, Oman, Saudi Arabia. This is at ISER Tirupati. It is at Best Local Chapter Award at IIT Madras. This is Best ITAP Award at Hyderabad. This is Bharat Vidya Ratan Award at Delhi. This is a doctorate award from JNTU Anantapur. Keynote speaker at Seetham. This is jury member, one of the lecture. This is keynote speaker, Singapore, Thailand. So now see the practical sessions. Still 11th step is ongoing. Madam, any doubts, please interact with me now. Please unmute yourself. Please now ask me queries. Now what is the time now? See, please, time. It is 12 o'clock, 12:10. Please ask me any doubts. Please unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Please introduce yourself, your name and college, so that I can answer your query.
Sir, I am Dr. Umayyan Dulhare, Mufakanja
Yes,
College,
sir.
Hyderabad.
Yes, sir.
Just now I observed the readings. Every step, whenever it is going on, epochs
Yes,
are
sir.
increases. Loss also sometimes it is increase. Then how we can evaluate the model, sir?
Yeah. See, very good question. What is your good name?
Umayyan Dulhare, Mufakanja
Yeah.
College.
Yes, sir. Because of the data set, sometimes based on your algorithm, sometimes it increases even error rate and it has to decrease in order to increase the accuracy. So that's why we need to apply parameters, like various parameters we need to apply in our algorithm in order to fine tuning of decreasing the error rate. Because see, if you observe in this diagram, in this execution, see, loss also we are getting 67%, accuracy 64, because the type of data set I have taken, See, the images are not in the good quality. That is the reason I'm getting the loss 0.67 means 67 percentage. So if you need to do more pre-processing step in that images so that I can increase my accuracy. My dear colleague, very good question. Very good question. So we need to do more pre-processing on the data set. So my data set is not that much quality data set. That's why sometimes my accuracy is 64. See, loss also 67 percentage I'm getting. Okay, very good question, sir. You in order to decrease the loss, so you need to take a good quality data input. Very good question. Now I am going to demonstrate one more CNN algorithm. Please check on COVID-19. Even Omicron data set. If you see Omicron data set,
I'll check it and I will let you know. Or I will
see some types of data. See, that's why if you give good quality input, you will get the quality data. If you take uh,
which I can
see, these are the Omicron data image. If you give this image, you will get very, see how so much data I have taken. So many data. This is a quality data. If you run this application, you will get loss very less and accuracy is very more. See here, very huge data set I have taken, nearly 5,000 images I have taken in this one, Omicron data set. If I run this one, you cannot find this one, loss and accuracy. Very good question. In order to decrease the loss, we need to do more pre-processing on the data set. Thank you, sir, for asking good question. Next question.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Any more queries? Sir, please subscribe my channel. Later you can do, later you can listen my videos. There are the various videos I kept in my channel. Machine learning applications, deep learning applications, data science applications, artificial intelligence applications, big data technologies, etc. Hello,
Sir,
sir.
data set is available now.
Yes, I'll give you. Don't worry. I'll give you data set.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, please subscribe my channel. Where is your name? I'm not finding in my subscription list. Your name, sir?
Sir, my name is Umayendu Lahare.
So, have you subscribed? I'm not finding your name in my subscription list.
Are. I have the link directly. I joined, sir.
No, that is okay. In a YouTube channel, you just open your mobile. Just go to YouTube, type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. You type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu, you will get my channel, sir. Please subscribe my channel now. Any doubts? My dear participants, please ask me any doubt. Hello, sir. 28 members are there. Any doubt? Please ask me, sir. Hello? Hello, madam? Hello? Hello, sir? Any doubts? Hello, sir? Any doubts? See,
Subscribed.
yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yeah. Still running this program. Any doubts? Please ask me. 8 subjects. Any doubts in this one? Please ask me. Any doubts? Hello, sir. No doubts? Shall we wind up the session? Hello, madam. Unmute yourself. Hello, Uma madam. Please ask me one question, one query. Uma madam.
Yes, sir. I only ask about that one.
Oh, very good. Okay, okay. Thank
That
you,
is
madam.
related to the whenever epochs is increases, loss also
Yes,
increases.
yes,
So
madam.
the depend on the what concept we have to reduce the loss and we have to improve the uh, accuracy. So
Yes,
you
madam.
gave
In
the
deep
answer as
learning,
tuning the
yeah.
parameter,
Yes, madam. In
hyper
deep
tuning
learning, we
parameter
use
is
a
required.
gradient descent. Okay,
Oh
great
yeah.
fine tuning. Yeah, fine tuning parameters. If you use, definitely we are increasing accuracy and decreasing the loss. So gradient descent you can use. So in deep learning concepts and dropout, if you use dropout, you can increase accuracy and decrease the loss function. Thank you, madam. And any
Suppose we
other
are
queries?
increasing the hidden layers also. Maybe
Yes,
the
yes, yeah,
uh,
yeah.
maybe it is
Yeah, very
reduced.
good.
I think so.
Yes, madam. Yeah. If you increase number of hidden and input layers, definitely we can increase accuracy and reduce the loss. Correct, madam. And is there any other participants? Please ask me any doubts related to data science application using ML and DL techniques with various case studies. Please, my dear participants. Okay. Uma Reddy madam, please ask me any query. Vishwanath sir, please ask me any queries
Sir,
related.
my
Yeah.
doubts are cleared. Only
Yes,
that
madam.
was there. And my
Okay,
name
madam.
is
Thank you,
Uma
madam.
Endulare.
Ah, yes, Uma N. Dulhare. Yes, yes, yes. I have seen. Thank you, madam. Rajesh is there, madam. Can anyone wind up the session? Please unmute yourself. That's all.
Thank you, sir,
Any?
for your
Yes, madam.
it's a very informative session. Hope we will
Yeah,
get the PPTs and code
yeah,
for
yeah,
further
sure.
reference.
Yes, madam. Definitely, I'm going to share with you. A coordinator, and yes, madam. Kavya Sri, madam. That's all. Any other queries, madam? Please ask me now. That's all. Kavya Sri, madam. Any doubts?
Sir, what are the nowadays all image based this Omicron and all works are more it works there. The what are the
Yes,
new challenges are there which we can solve now?
yes, madam. Very good question, madam. There are various challenges. See, it is a real-time data set you are taking, and and in a hospital, if you take a hospital data, it is a raw data. How do you expect very good accuracy from that raw data? That's why you need to do fine tuning of the data by applying pre-processing mechanisms and various algorithms to increase the accuracy, reduce the loss. So that's why you can take challenges like dirty data, and in order to increase accuracy, what are the pre-processing mechanisms we are using in order to solve real-time applications? There are various challenges are there. Even in COVID-19, voice recognizing COVID patient audio video data. That is one more research challenges. Uma madam, you can choose. There is a COVID patient. I'm collecting the audio, and I'm recognizing whether he is a COVID patient or not. You can do. It is a latest challenge, madam. So, like that, you can use COVID-19 patient audio video data, and you can generate interested analytics. So that is one more challenge you can find out in the audio in video type. You need to use auto encoders, etc. algorithms in order to solve applications. Yeah. Now what is the time now? 12:30? 12:20. Okay. Shall we stop, madam? Obviously, madam, shall we stop now?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, madam. So I think all of you subscribed my channel. Two more members not subscribed, madam. Please take your mobile. Just go to YouTube. Type my name, Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu. So subscribe, and later time you can listen various videos. Yeah, thank you, madam, for giving this opportunity. Thanks to Rajesh and the principal sir, HODs, my dear colleagues. You have given a wonderful opportunity to share my knowledge in this international webinar. Thank you, Uma madam and Naval sir.
Thank
Kavesh.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir. So I'm winding the session, sir.
Thank you, sir. It's a wonderful session.
Oh,
Yes.
thanks.
So still this program is executing. See here, 22 epochs because of huge volume of data. It is taking time. My system is not that much high high configured system. That's why it is taking time. See now, 22 by 30 means it is giving accuracy 64. Still loss is 65 because of the data set I have taken. So that's all from my end. I'm closing the session. Thank you, sir. Okay.
Very positive. Energy. Very positive.